Based on a unique business concept that combines machines and connectors, we conduct disparate activities across a wide area that extends from the connectors that support electronic devices to the ultra-high precision machines essential for the manufacture of cutting-edge equipment. Large numbers of our connectors are used as precision parts to link energy and information in electronic devices. Harnesses are devices to yoke connectors with electrical wires. Full automatic terminal crimping machines that automatically bond the terminals and electrical wires accurately and at high speed are essential for the production of harnesses. And to create superior connectors requires molding technology and the precision presses and the precision vices that have emerged in relation to this. Japan Automatic Machine is the world's only maker able to consistently produce and supply these machines and connectors.